Welcome back to the Dream Cars, where we explore the most exciting rides the automotive world has to offer. Today, we're taking a deep dive into a name you already know but in a form you've never seen before. This is the all-new Kia Sportage 2026. At first glance, it's clear that Kia isn't playing it safe anymore. The design of the 2026 Sportage is bold, futuristic, and more upscale than ever. That signature tiger nose grille is sharper, more aggressive, and flows seamlessly into the boomerang-shaped LED DRLs that frame the front end. The entire front fascia feels like it belongs to a concept car, not something you can actually drive off the lot, but this is real, and it's stunning. Move around to the side, and you'll notice that the proportions have matured. The longer wheelbase gives it a more planted stance, and the sculpted lines along the body aren't just for show, they improve aerodynamics and add to the overall presence of the car. Available in up to 20-inch alloy wheels and with options for blacked-out trim, contrast roofs, and matte paint finishes, the Sportage 2026 doesn't just look like an SUV, it looks like a statement. Pop open the door, and the real surprise begins. The cabin is an absolute leap forward. Kia has embraced a minimalist yet tech-forward approach. At the heart of it all, a massive curved panoramic display that combines a 12.3-inch digital instrument cluster with a 12.3-inch infotainment touchscreen. It's seamless, bright, and intuitive. Everything is within reach and beautifully integrated, with tactile knobs for climate and volume to keep things simple when you need it. Comfort, oh yeah, the seats are wider, better bolstered, and now available in premium vegan leather. Front seats can be both heated and ventilated, and for the first time, rear passengers get their own climate zone and optional seat heating as well. Kia didn't just upgrade the driver's seat, they upgraded the entire experience. Under the hood, the 2026 Sportage offers a diverse range of powertrains to fit almost every lifestyle. You've got your traditional 2.5L gasoline engine pushing out around 187 horsepower, refined, efficient, and perfect for everyday driving. But if you're looking to save at the pump or go green, the hybrid and plug-in hybrid options are where things get interesting. The hybrid pairs a turbocharged 1.6L engine with an electric motor to deliver over 225 horsepower, while still achieving impressive fuel economy. And for the tech lovers, this SUV is loaded. The new ADAS suite includes Highway Drive Assist 2 with hands-on lane changing, a 360-degree camera system, smart cruise control that learns your driving habits, and even remote smart parking assist. That's right, you can park this car while standing outside it, using just your key fob. The ride quality, smooth, quiet, and composed. Thanks to a retuned suspension system and improved sound insulation, the cabin stays hushed even at highway speeds. Whether you're navigating city streets or heading out on a weekend road trip, the Sportage feels more refined and confident than ever. And here's something that truly sets the 2026 Sportage apart: customization. From lighting themes in the cabin to voice-activated commands that now integrate with Kia's new AI assistant, you can tailor nearly every aspect of this vehicle to suit your mood and needs. Want to change the ambient lighting based on your playlist? You can do that. Need to control your home's smart lights from the road? Done. This isn't just a car, it's your tech hub on wheels. Storage and practicality haven't been forgotten either. The rear seats fold completely flat with a touch of a button, and the cargo space is among the best in class. Whether you're hauling groceries, luggage, or camping gear, the Sportage is ready for it. What Kia has done with the 2026 Sportage is more than just a refresh, it's a total redefinition of what a compact SUV can be. It's futuristic without being intimidating. It's luxurious without being out of reach. And most importantly, it offers real innovation that drivers will actually use. So, is the Kia Sportage 2026 a dream car? For many drivers, absolutely. It brings style, performance, technology, and value together in a way few others do at this price point. If you're in the market for something practical but still want to turn heads, this might just be the sweet spot. Thanks for watching the Dream Cars. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and drop your thoughts in the comments below. Would you take the 2026 Sportage over its competitors? Let us know. Until next time, keep chasing the drive.